Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the Hazet 177 6 Tool Trolley Assistant with 6 drawers. This tool trolley is designed for serious professionals. Featuring 4 flat and 2 high drawers, it offers ample storage for all your tools. With large ball-bearing wheels, maneuverability is a breeze, even under heavy loads. The 2-stage locking concept ensures your tools are secure, while individual drawer locking prevents unwanted openings. Need strength? This trolley has a total dynamic loading capacity of 300 kilograms. Crafted in Germany, the Hazet 177-6 is built to last, with a worktop that is resistant to solvents and includes integrated storage wells. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency. Get your Hazet 177-6 Tool Trolley Assistant today. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.